Hi, my name is Tony Hayes. I live in San Clemente. I'm mostly retired, but I do also teach aircraft design, of all things, mostly in China though. I have done a fair bit of analysis about whether a toll road is needed here, a toll road extension in particular, and I'm firmly convinced that the toll road would be a complete waste of money and it would never make money through toll income. And the reasons for that are primarily that there is a wave of new technology with regard to transportation that is going to sweep over this country and is already sweeping over Europe to a lesser extent, that will enable much greater productivity of surface roads. In particular, there are a couple of places where this is already being implemented, in particular in Pittsburgh, under the research that's being done by Carnegie Mellon University on the application of artificial intelligence to traffic lights. And actually Carnegie Mellon is also involved in the use of driverless cars in Pittsburgh. But it's also being used in the UK at a city called Milton Keynes. And they are also testing the use of artificial intelligence on traffic lights. And the basics are you just put a series of cameras up that are facing up the street towards the oncoming traffic. The cameras figure out how much traffic is coming towards the light, and then the intelligence figures out how the light should change accordingly, because traffic doesn't come uniformly at any traffic light. The traffic comes in waves in different directions and different times. And it's not that hard. You don't, I say artificial intelligence, you don't need a lot of artificial intelligence just in order to figure out how the light should switch in order to allow the traffic to move through smoothly. Right now, traffic lights are pretty dumb. You actually have to get the vehicle at the traffic light before the traffic light even realizes that anything is waiting. So a little bit of intelligence will go a long way when it comes to traffic lights.
This traffic-friendly 2.5-mile stretch of Missouri Route 291 is equipped with an adaptive traffic signal system. And since installation, congestion has greatly reduced. In fact, according to local law enforcement, there has also been a reduction in vehicle crashes and red light running. Tom Evans, traffic engineer for the Missouri Department of Transportation, says the key pieces are video cameras set up at each of the 12 intersections, which help the system think.
We have a camera facing each approach, as you can see it up there with the light, and you'll see there's one on every approach all the way around. And it is looking at the vehicles, and it is counting and keeping track of numbers.
This information is then sent to a nearby processor, the brains of the signal system, to determine the best traffic flow synergy.
And that processor is informing the other signals up and down the road what is going on and what to expect.
The adaptive traffic signal system is even programmed to make sure first alert vehicles get through these 12 intersections without delay.
Everything's come to a stop, only he gets the green. Now he's made it through it and everything opens right back up. That's how preemption works.
Thanks to a major reduction in traffic stops, there's another positive the adaptive traffic signal system brings Route 291 motorists, and that's savings to both the environment and the pocketbook.
There's up to 0.03 of a gallon of gas saved per vehicle at optimum times on the roadway. 0.03 doesn't sound like a lot. But when you take 0.03 of a gallon of gas and you take it by 25,000 vehicles a day and you take that 365 days a year, you're talking over 25 tanker loads of fuel that is not being burnt on this roadway per year. That's a lot of fuel. That unburnt gas would have gone out your tailpipe as emissions. And 25 tanker loads, that is a lot of emissions, and that is not taking place.
Continuous travel with a reduction in delays, emissions, and fuel consumption. Amazing elements implemented by the Missouri Department of Transportation that's making this community safer and run better.
And that's what we're doing by putting these kind of systems in, is make the most use of the dollars we have to help out as most we can.
Imagine traffic rolling through 12 intersections, hitting every green light regardless of traffic volume or time of day. Rhythm Engineering has created technology that significantly reduces stops and delays on arterial streets. Its unique artificial intelligence technology is proving to be the most effective adaptive system on the market.